Okay, girls, here's our video for area of triangles. The first thing I want to talk about just quickly before we start, I'm going to go off to the side here, and everybody knows this is a rectangle, and everybody knows that the area is equal to the length times the width, yeah? Well, in a triangle, I'll use my ruler, in a triangle, I just have kind of half of that, right? If I'm talking about the area of this thing. So it turns out that in the formula for the area of a triangle, we cut that straight in half. So let's talk about that. So it says one side of a triangle is called the base. That's what we called the length before, yeah? And the other side is the perpendicular distance, so straight down at a right angle, is the height, okay? We called it width in this one before, but we don't call it that in a triangle. We call it base and height. Sometimes triangles can look like this, where this is the base, and from the angle across, it comes down straight like that. So it's not a right-angled triangle like that. It's a triangle like this, an acute triangle it kind of looks like. And I dashed down for the height. So I don't have two triangles here, although it looks like two triangles. I really don't. I have one triangle where this is the whole base down here, and that's the height. Okay, and that's why it's a dashed line, because it's not splitting it in two. And sometimes I have these creepy obtuse triangles, and when I drop the perpendicular or the line straight down, it's kind of outside the triangle. So sometimes the height is out here, and the base is here. Yeah, so those are kind of weird. All right, let's do a couple examples. Oh, let's do the formula first. So the area, I always do this. I always do 1/2 times base times height. Okay, some people prefer to do base times height over 2. That's fine. Both of those are the same thing. It doesn't really matter. Multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same thing. Okay, multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same. Sometimes it's easier to do that one. Okay, so let's go down here. So we go base equals 10, height equals 9, area, it's a triangle, equals, get that out of the way, 1/2 times base times height. You're welcome to do it on your calculator, but 1/2 times 10 is just 5. Okay, so 1/2 times something just cuts it in half. So 5 times 9 is 45. And it's still square measurement. Okay, let's try this one. This time, one of the measurements is on the outside of the triangle. Okay, so I have this thing here, the 6, that's the base of the triangle. The base is like up on the side, but that's okay. So the area is, I'm going to do the other one, BH over 2. Okay, so area equals 6 times 9 over 2. So I'm going to do that. Maybe I'll go 6 times 9 is 54 divided by 2. Using your calculator if you want to. You put that the area is 27 meters squared. Great. Okay, you're on to your working.